Alright, YouTube subscribers, my name is Ray Sean, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is, on this video's episode of What's in the Box. Now, before you guys start thinking like, Ray, I thought you ordered a ceiling fan. Now, what's going on is that the reason why I'm showing the Ninja Foodie thing is because that's where the ceiling fans and stuff is at. So I'm about to go on and open up this box and stuff using this key and stuff. So hold on. Hold on. Hold on a sec. Dang, they got this box sealed up good. Hold on, so here are the blades to it. I'm just making sure the video's not upside down. So as you can see, that this fan has 5 reversible blades from oak wood to walnut. And what I really don't like about this thing is that one side of the blades are glossier and the other side is not. And I'm just hoping that this is paint. And I'm just hoping that this is paint splatter and it's not nothing else and stuff. But I'm about to go and give it like a clean scrub and stuff. Hey, why this box flap keep shutting on me? Oh my god. And then here's the fan motor. Now here's the fan motor right here. And as you can see that the ceiling fan is close mounted, but it can also be installed on a down rod. And I'm about to go on and show you the UL listing fully pretty soon. And this fan is 3 speeds and it's electrically reversible. And due to the fact that, as you can see, that this motor got like various holes and stuff, instead of having all 10 holes and stuff. The reason why I got like various holes on there, because this ceiling fan can also be installed with 4 blades. And as you can see that the motor inside the motor housing is crooked due to the fact that the ceiling fan was being shipped and stuff. So it kind of made the motor a little bit crooked some, but I can always bend it back and stuff. So I'm about to go in and finish pulling out the parts. Hold on, you guys. No. Dang, I keep getting interrupted. Hold on. So as you can see, it came with 3 out of 4 of the globes and stuff. But I'm not too concerned about that, because those aren't the globes that this ceiling fan would originally come with from factory. But the seller did do his job when the seller told me that the ceiling fan was missing 1 out of 4 of the globes and stuff. And I told the seller that that's perfectly fine with me. I can always find some new globes for it. And that's when the seller agreed to ship the fan to me and stuff when I made my order and stuff. It took like 14 days for this ceiling fan to come in the mail and stuff. And I'm about to go on and finish pulling out the hardware and stuff. So here are some of the screws and stuff. And some of the screws goes to the blade brackets, and some of the screws are made for me to screw the blades onto the motor and stuff. And it comes with the style of the blade brackets that you'll see on the Encon Georgian ceiling fan. Or any other Encon ceiling fans uses the ornate blade brackets, and I'll show you what they look like. So these what the blade brackets look like for this fan. And these also what the blade brackets look like on a lot of Encon ceiling fans that uses their ornate blade brackets. But this ceiling fan was not manufactured by Encon. It was actually manufactured by CEI. And but you really can't see the stamping too good and stuff. But as you can see that the blade bracket says CEI 96. And then it says 1F and stuff. So due to the fact that the blade bracket says CEI 96, that means that the ceiling fan was manufactured in 1996. And then and I'm really surprised that this fan was made in 96, because it really doesn't have the holes going through the blade brackets and stuff. Oh, dang it. I had the video sideways, so my apologies for that. But this what the blade bracket look like. And let me see if you can see that stamping good. Nope, you can't even see it good on camera. But anyway, this ceiling fan was manufactured in 1996. I was thinking that it was manufactured in 97. And as you can see, it's missing some of the screws and stuff. It's only missing 1 out of 12 of the screws and stuff, but I should have a spare screw for it and stuff. So other than that, I'm about to go on and get off this video. Then before that, I just want to check the box just to make sure I got all the parts out of it and stuff. Now the down rod for the fan wasn't included when I got this fan and stuff. And then I also forgot to show you that it has this pull chain for the light. And this the pull chain for the fan. So other than that, I'm about to go on and get off this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.